Welcome to this week's episode of Fun Facts with URUB. I'll be your host, Talia.
This week, we are recognizing Earth Day, a day created to support Earth and environmental protection. The first Earth Day took place on April 22nd, 1970, and saw 20 million Americans taking it to the streets protesting for environmental protection, and ignited its desire to see laws enacted that would promote this. In recent years, we have seen an uptick in overall global interest in the environment as a result of climate change, global warming, and the biodiversity crisis. With the Paris Climate Agreement, where countries made pledges to reduce and phase out their greenhouse gas emissions in the next decades, and the prominence of activists such as Greta Thunberg, there's a lot to know about the crisis our environment is facing, and if real change isn't made soon, life on Earth may change drastically throughout our lifetimes. Here are a few ways that we can all work to save our planet all year round. Rinse out all plastic bottles, jars, and containers before dumping them in the recycling. Plastic takes up to 400 years to degrade, so a majority of the plastic ever produced still exists. And if not taken seriously, scientists predict that in the next decade there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean. Try to swap out your single-use plastic items for reusable options. This doesn't mean to create waste on purpose. Use up all of your non-environmentally friendly products and then purchase environmentally friendly ones on your next store run. Consider studying environmental science, environmental studies, or environmental policy. Volunteer at your local community garden, or if you have a garden at home, consider composting your fruit peels and vegetable scraps instead of throwing them in the trash. Aim to be environmentally conscious, so that when you come of age, your vote and your consumer dollars can go toward making sustainable progress in society.